Hey everyone, this is Michael Tritthart, International Technology Instructor. Want to let you know about a class that we have coming to Fort Worth next week, and this is AI Optimization for Real Estate Agents. This is a 1-hour CE certified course that can change your business very quickly. I had a recent attendee tell me she attended it, applied some of the techniques, and then picked up her first lead in less than 7 days after the session. So join us June 16th from 11 a.m. to 12:15. This is going to be a lunch and learn. We have tons of great sponsors that are going to be involved in this session. So we want to bring as big of a crowd as possible. And I want you to come in and understand exactly what you need to do to show up as a real estate search result in the AI systems. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. So you can join us in person in Fort Worth, or you can join via Zoom. Either way, I will see you next week for this very powerful 1-hour workshop. Thanks.